Hello, we're going to do a little walk around demonstration video on this 2022 Toyota Sienna converted by VMI. VMI is a conversion manufacturer based in Arizona, and they are the first to do the all-wheel drive Toyota Sienna. This is the new hybrid electric and gas drivetrain. This is also the XSE package. So if you notice, this grille here is kind of diamond shaped. That is the XSE exclusive. You also have on the back here, this diamond plating back here. On a regular Toyota Sienna, it has more of those lines like that. So the XSE package gives you that. It also gives you the new Moonstone interior that's now available on the 22 models. I'll show you what that looks like. So this is the two-tone dark gray with gray Moonstone interior. It's got this nice pattern at the top, and then the full leatherette interior inside here as well. So the way that this conversion works is we either hit the button on the key or this nice VMI button here. It's good to use as that operates the ramp and the door system. So the door will open, then the ramp comes out. And so that operates the whole system there for you. This also has a kneeling feature you can turn on and off. And then with the new VMI conversions, they have this nice lighted entryway with those lights there. We also have the Park Smart sensors on this side here. So as you exit the vehicle and lock it, if you hit this Park Smart button, the next time somebody pulls up next to you, there will be an audio alert that tells the customer or tells the person, hey, you've parked next to a wheelchair accessible vehicle. Please move your vehicle so I can open my ramp. The vehicle has been lowered to have the modified flooring installed. So you can see the original Toyota panels where they stop here, and then VMI added the new paneling there. So this has a 14.75 inch lowered floor, best in the industry. The in-floor ramp goes in and out here, so you don't have any obstruction next to the door. And I just hit the Toyota button there to close the ramp, and then the door will close. So as you can see, there's no ramp inside of here. That's because it's sitting underneath the floor. So we do have an access panel to be able to get in and out of that if we ever need service. And then you have a sure deploy system that you can actually open the ramp. You would just pull the door open and then use the sure deploy system should you have power failure and the normal system didn't work. And then on the key fob itself, there is where you could also hit it. We do have multiple Toyota buttons. Like I said, I always like to use the VMI button there, but you do have door opening buttons for left and right there. And that green light will flash, so that's why I like using it. It's telling you that the door and the ramp system is opening. So when it's closing and it's still flashing, you won't be able to put the vehicle into drive because there's an interlock system that keeps you from driving with the ramp out. We'll go ahead and turn the car on as well. So it does have the push button, and see how that push button is blue? That's an indicator that the car has Toyota's hybrid system. And so when you get the hybrid system there, obviously you have increased vehicle efficiency. We do have the maps on here as well, 3-zone climate control, and actually this car has technically 4 zones because you can adjust the left and right rear as well as the front left and right. You also do have the Qi wireless charging pad, so you can put your phone on there, and then when that green light is on, when the phone is in there, that can wirelessly charge, and then it turn yellow to show you that it's charging. VMI did a really nice job in modifying this center console here. The original console went all the way back to the back seats through here, so they actually were able to remove that section and put a nice cap on there. They didn't have to reconfigure all this like some of the other manufacturers do. And of course you have the moonroof. And then let's go check out the back. What's nice on the XSE too is that you have key fobs that are advanced keyless entry. meaning you don't ever have to take your key out of your pocket or purse if you don't want to. There's actually a sensor inside of the handle to unlock, and then when the car is shut, we can actually put our finger across there and that will lock the vehicle. So to unlock, we just touch that sensor inside the handle. And then these door on the back do have a button there that you could open everything up as well. Now this vehicle kind of looks like it's taller, which it has been raised. And then VMI added these nice wheel arches to cover up that extra height that they had to raise the vehicle up because they lowered the floor so much. So that gives us that nice tall opening height and gives us plenty of room to work with. It also gives it one of the nicest ground clearance on any of the converted minivans, about 5.5 inches anywhere on the vehicle. Back here, you still retain your cargo space area here. The seats do fold down. That's one of the common questions we get is how far do they fold down? That's as far down as they'll go just because Toyota made these seats originally to be fold and go. However, when the vehicle was converted, VMI mounted those seats with bolts to the floor, the new modified floor there. So that's about as far down as it'll fold. And then they do recline back as well. And then another feature on the XSE is the power lift gate and the JBL audio system. So that gives you a nicer sound system to be able to have a full nice sound on the car. It does have a backup camera as well. So the XSE is similar to the XLE package. Main differences, front and rear bumpers have that diamond pattern, and then this is the only model that allows for that moonstone interior to be installed as an option from Toyota. And then of course this one is an XSE Plus, so you've got like the Qi wireless charging in addition to some of the standard features like the power lift gate, power dual doors, and the moonroof. Thank you so much for watching. Let us know if this will work for you.